Hindi pa. Pero I will get to meet him again this week. Si Attorney Calinisan, I will get to meet him again this week.
And then, sir, you mentioned in the interview yung possibility or yung may relation din ito dun sa mga police na na-involve sa drug war.
Meron kasing ano yan, nagkaroon ng intersection ng mga kasong to. In an arrest made in was it Valenzuela, May Kawayan, where drug suspects who were arrested were also intertwined with the Isabong. Meron talaga nagkaroon ng isang incident na napagtagpi namin, napagdikit namin yung dalawang kasong yan. And it happened in May Kawayan, in a gas station there. Nagkaroon ng arrest dyan ng dalawang tao na nakakulong ngayon sa Batangas. But we had problems with that case. Kasi nga, naghihilahan yung ibang mga personalities about how to treat these suspects. Tsaka nag-recant yung mga kinausap namin noon. In fact, these people already went to the Senate to testify nung hearings conducted by Senator Bato de la Rosa on the Isabong. I think that the death squads might intersect more on the death squads. The people who undertake the contractual killings may intersect somehow with the drug war and with the Isabong. Same, may mga taong parehong involved sa pagpatay ng tao sa drug war at sa Isabong. As far as we can trace right now, but we will have to establish clearer links to each other. Wala kami pinag-uusapan ng application for state witness. No such thing will be talked about. Basta our prosecutors are conferring with him, will be conferring with him again in the next few days. Marami pa, this is a very critical juncture. In the next 2 weeks will be very critical with regards to how the cases will roll out. Mahalaga, we're all moving forward. Yung search teams are moving. Our legal group is moving. Everybody who has a job to do regards these cases are all moving. Kaya we're confident we will get there before we know it. Ganun naman yan eh. Hindi mo na maalam kung tapos na kagad eh. Pero as long as it's not finished, we continue the process.
May update po dun, sir, sa ibang Manila security guard na di pa po nag-apply po yung naman.
Nakabail sila. So, yan pa. That's why I got in contact with the Supreme Court on this matter. Kasi nga, we are alarmed by some of the behavior of people who should be behaving better with regards to these cases. Kaya we call the attention of the Supreme Court.
So, what po dun, sir, yung sa pag-grant po ng bail, hindi na po yung sa Supreme Court po?
No, I just narrated to my contact, to one of my contacts there, how things were running, and that it is really alarming. I stated a concern, a grave concern that we have regarding the running of these cases, and that something should be done about it. Ano yan eh? With this case, our whole justice system is on trial with this case. Believe you me. There's more to it that meets the eye. Tsaka yung mga hindi sinasabi dati, lumalabas ngayon kasi it's about time we face the demons in our system. Diba?
Sir, John Pasino po of GMA News Online. Sir, itatawag niyo po ba ulit si Dr. Rafael Portillo?
Yes, but she's under medical furlough now. But she is being touted or being asked to head the Philippine Forensics Institute, which we're establishing, and she will be helping us. But of course, I spoke to the RAPOLCOM, to some people today about the movement of the crime lab of the PNP, so that we can be on the same page regarding what we need from the PNP on the identification of the remains, etc., etc.
Sir, how soon po kaya mapapa-enroll po si Dr. Rafael Portuguesa?
I don't know. I want to wait for her to finish from her medical furlough. She went through a health crisis also, but she'll be there. She has always been cooperative with the DOJ. She's always been receptive to our requests here in the DOJ.
Sorry. Since this social activist was released from treatment last week, denying double allegations.
I didn't mention any names. If the names came from somewhere else, I don't know. And I have nothing to say about that. Ang sinasabi ko lang talaga dati, pinadala ko na yung aking prueba sa Korte Suprema, and they're acting on their own.
Do you have a number of names, sir, or ilan po yung mga possible employees po in the judiciary na?
Nahirap magsalita dyan. I don't think it's proper to speculate on these matters, except for specific cases.
Sir, dahil po sa aking you mentioned that recovery could hope to have months. Pero may threshold number kasi number mentioned was 100 at least bodies. How many bodies should
We don't know eh. There can be more. Kasi sa drug war, ang dami rin na walang tao eh. Hindi natin alam eh. Hindi natin alam. There can be more. But yung sa Bungero, in accordance with the testimony of, with the narration of alias Totoy, mukhang 100 na ang biktima sa sabong pa lang. Hindi yung drug war, hindi pa natin pinag-uusapan yun. Kaya lang, mukhang nakasanayan na magtapon talaga ron. It has already become a place to dispose of human remains. Parang ganun na ang nangyari. Hindi, we will tap them as we need people. We're asking everybody to help, but we cannot just do it. Now everybody will just go there and do their thing. Hindi pwede. It has to be coordinated. NBI is in the case. They're present in the scene. Kasi ano yan eh, ang rule kasi dyan sa jurisdiction usually, kung yung grupong ito nakahanap, sila ang mag-iimbestiga, di ba? So, dito kasi, Coast Guard, more on sa PNP nakaturo ang direksyon ng findings, no? Kaya yung crime lab ng PNP ngayon ang ating kinakausap para maging malinaw ang takbo ng lahat kung ano yung hinahanap natin at kung ano ang direksyon ng ebidensya ng forensic evidence na kinakailangang bigyan ng pansin.
Sir, on the legal side, sir, dun sa kaso po ng San Pablo, yung kay Ricardo Lasco, yung tatlo pong pulis doon ay nakapag-piansa po sila. Ano po ba ay nag-file din with the CA para po?
Ano yan, isa yan sa mga side issues na ating ina-handle. And I expect our prosecutors to clarify the issues surrounding sa San Pablo.
Sir, itong tatlong pulis po ba na ito na while on bail, sila po ba ay naka-restricted custody din?
I don't know. We'll find out. But we will ask that they be confined also. Saan?
Yung participating offices po, that it's going to take part. That's taking part.
What about it?
The PNP INX was included in the list that we agreed. So, ano ba? What are they there to
I make. Ano yun? What does it stand for? So what about it?
Sir, what exact purpose would INEC be there? And including the...
That's just the way the police moves. Ganun talaga ang kanilang SOP regarding sa investigation. They're always there.
Sir, you see one of our judge, Felix, sabi niya last 2 weeks sa statement na he's willing to allow the BI to release yung audio records niya. So you...
I'm not familiar with this case. I don't know.
Is he
Yeah, I know that he's touted to be involved in some activities, but it's not within the scope of my knowledge. I cannot answer. Sorry.
yung tribal records lang, sir?
I cannot answer nga dahil nga hindi ko alam ang pinag-uusapan niya, and I cannot be briefed now and then give an answer. It doesn't work that way. Okay?
Sir, baka may sasabihin ka.
Assurance lang sir sa public. I know na, nasabi ko lang kanina, kaya lang, paano lang matigil na yung mga nagdududa talaga na like the post, or yung sa issue sir yung kanina boto.
Wala, ano yan, kalokohan yan. Alam mo yan, this country is full of politics and troll farms that they always want to spoil whatever good things that we can do as a country. And that's part of politics. It's the politics that they want to practice. So be it. Okay? Okay, thank you. Ha? Yung Manyo Brothers? Manyo Brothers nahuli na sa may kawayan. Tapos, ano yan, parang involved sila both isabong and drugs. Kasi may nakahanap na drugs doon.